the red cap off just now, and this will take me to the needles part. It will help to go in between all the edges. I love this bestie so much. It will help me go in between all the edges. You see how all the edges of these cute flowers right there? Good. I'm gonna go to all of this and make sure they are not gonna catching on the client's hair. It seals everything on the petals of these cute flowers. And I'm gonna do it along with, if you are doing Diamond Dust Pixie, I know that a lot of you, your clients request and love it, but then they're afraid of to get it because it'll get smashed and dirty, because with out no wipe top coat is gonna make it like really dirty looks because it's sticky. All the tack and the furs and the dust get into their nails. I'm even doing this. And some of our flowers that already ready have a crystal in there for you, so you're good to go with this. You don't even have to add anything else if you don't want to, but if you want, absolutely you can. All right, so I'm gonna kill this one for 60 seconds and then go into this cute simple. So we have 2 nails with the flowers and then 2 nails with just solids. This one I think I did I? I'm really enjoying it today with everyone's. What? Oh, one thing. People request to send us DM. 60 seconds. Just bear with me because I'm going to show you something that's really new. Is cool, is the newest, better, bigger of a really cool HD, super pretty gorgeous sticker. So it doesn't matter if you have Channel 4, you can play with this. You have stickers, you can do it. We'll try to keep you all up to date and stay on the top of the game. What is most convenient and make sure it works so much easier, so then you won't hate what you're doing. You know how, I don't know if anybody feeling, but when sometimes it's difficult and make us really like easy to giving up. I have that too. I'm just like everybody else. And you know, that's why we always, you know, is comment and study and doing all of work for you. We do all the works for you to get what is the best in the markets, what is the newer trend, and what is there, so then you can fulfill your client's request without frustrated. Have you ever sent a client away because they're asking for so many different cool ombres, marbling, and then you say, oh, we don't offer it, or we don't have a 3D, it takes forever, and it's cost so much money? Look at this. We chalk this. I chalk it to clients. I still have some of mine that I pre-made. So if they want it, they get consult first, and I made it. It took me a little bit longer, like an hour, because I need to set each petals. And then it takes me almost an hour, but I have to charge like $15 per flowers, if not more. But now you can get this is from our dedicated team and pre-made, handmade every single petals for you. And you can still able to upsell yourself. It's the same price, but